Controls on. System on. Ready? Looking good.
Basically, this project is to demonstrate the use of a low-cost remote sensing platform that can be flown autonomously, where you pre-program the flight lines and you launch the airframe and it goes over that flight line, acquiring very high resolution digital imagery, primarily to support natural resource management such as riparian systems, river corridors, monitoring changes in land use and land cover. Basically anything that can help out resource agencies, and it's a very low-cost system compared to most remote sensing platforms. One of the design criteria when we conceived this project was that it had to be built with basically off-the-shelf technology from Radio Shack or a hobby store. There is a component in it in terms of the ability to fly autonomously that is not off-of-the-shelf technology. But every other component you could basically put together between a day trip to a hobby store and Radio Shack.
Alright, here we go. Right turn, left turn, nose down, nose up.
We go through a sequence of ensuring the computer and the airframe are talking to each other, basically a pre-flight checklist like you would with an airline pilot. Hook it up to a bungee cord and launch it. It goes to a pre-position, it knows and turns its motor on. It then circles up to flight altitude that's pre-programmed. We ensure we have communication and linkage to the computer and the airframe. We push a button and it goes and executes its pre-programmed flight, taking imagery for us, and then here we programmed it to come back, and then our pilot in charge takes manual control and lands the airframe.